Welcome to another video of the Cuatro Legal real estate video series. Today we're talking about what is the role of the inspector in a construction process in Costa Rica. Building in general is a complex process, and building in Costa Rica is a very complex process. I want to stress that one of the most common mistakes expats and investors make when investing in Costa Rica and or building their home is trying to save money or overlooking parts of the building process. Building is dynamic and full of moving parts and parties. It normally involves a lot of paperwork and red tape, dealing with professionals, working with crews, supplying materials, fluctuating budgets, and inclement weather. Given this nature, it is likely things may not go as planned. So, how can you protect your peace of mind and wallet? Hire an inspector. What is an inspector? The role of the inspector is regulated by CEFIA, and it is a professional or group of professionals that serve as advisors and counselors during the building process. Inspectors are in charge of supervising that construction is executed according to the terms agreed, the best construction practices, blueprints, and technical specifications. An inspector is basically your best and dearest friend during a construction process. Well, a friend you need to pay, but you get the point. How are inspections done? The service is rendered by periodic and scheduled visits to the project, which is something agreed between client and inspector according to the budget and needs. What does the inspector do in an inspection? The inspector works for you. Hence, the main activity is to protect you, but we will get a little bit more technical, as a good inspection job should include supervising and controlling the construction work is done according to blueprints, technical specifications, and other documents that are part of the building contract. Proposing changes in design as per owner's best interest. Preparing the final reception of the build. Preparing periodic reports to the owner with findings, areas of improvements, corrections, and recommendations on work in progress. Controlling and approving disbursements to vendors or the contractor. Advising about work changes when necessary, reviewing invoices sent for payment, reviewing the quality of the materials and construction process, reviewing and approving materials, equipments, fixtures to install according to blueprints and technical specifications, making sure all important decisions are registered in the construction log and transferred to the blueprints. How much does it cost to retain an inspector? The standard fee according to regulations is 3% of the construction value according to the schedule for professional services for edification advisory. However, most of the times it is agreed per visit, which is something you can negotiate with your inspector. We advise clients to always use the qualified inspector because when a construction project goes bad and the owner realizes it, it is normally too late to act on it. You don't want to be at what I call the point of no return. This is an informal term that I use to describe the cases where what is left on the budget is not enough to finish the construction or hire someone else to finish it. If you want more information, visit cuatro.legal and go to our resources page. If you can't find what you're looking for, send us an email and we will prepare an article or video addressing your questions. Welcome to the Cuatro Legal family.